Oh, yeah. Tayo, stand up again. Stand up, stand up.
Up, 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 up.
Ate. Huh? What's that? Oops! Ah! Oy, baby, stepping on. Put him backwards there. Babe. Ate. You say, ate. Dada. Dada.
Up.
Op. Oo, meron kayo nun. Meron kayo nun.
Up.
Oo, ah. Hey, don't go to Ata. You stay here. Come on, come on. Come on, Atitis. Did you wake you? Stand up, babe. Oh! Alright. Ah! Don't give up. Keep on fighting. Yeah. Ate. Op, op. Oh. Step by step.
Sa mukha sa na yun.
Oh, step by step. Oh, step by step. Ah, step by step. I love you, babe. Step by step. Come on. You can do it. Alright. Oh, yeah.
Kaliwa naman, uy.
Today is June 25. 8 steps. Nice. That's ready to start. Yeah. Yes.
Okay na.
Stand up again, babe. Come on. Come on, baby. Ethan. Go, Ethan. Go, Ethan. Go. Ate.
To, saba kay ka.
Ate. 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 Ate.
Okay, malapit na.
Ate. Oh. Meron kayo niyan. Oh. Ay. Anak, oy. Galing ni anak. 9 months pa lang yan, ha? Take note, 9 months. Ethan knows how to steps na. Come on, babe. Go. Oh. Go, Ethan. Ate. Dada. You say dada. Dada. Wala na.
Biskot.
Dada.
Ay, si ano?
Boy.
Panay kaliwanak.
May bilanggan.
Ate. Ate. Oy.